Every journey begins with a story. Mine started with a dream to cross the mighty Atal Tunnel. Road curled like ribbons, and the mountains whispered, "Come, find your story." এই যাত্রা শুরু হয়েছিল রোমাঞ্চে ভরা এক সকাল থেকে। Ahead lay the mighty Atal Tunnel, a 10.5-kilometer miracle carved through rock and snow. Guys, finally reached Atal Tunnel and I'm here at Atal Tunnel, which is 10 kilometers long. 10 years of hard work, 10.5-kilometer under the Himalayas, an engineering marvel of India. As my car entered the tunnel, lights flickered like stars guiding me through the mountain's soul. Inside, silence screamed adventure, a heartbeat echoing in every curve. It's not just a tunnel, it's a passage between two worlds. It was crossing into another world. 10 বছর ধরে গড়া এই টানেল যেন ভারতের সাহসের গল্প, পাহাড়ের বুক চিরে এগিয়ে চলা এক নতুন ভোরের দিকে।